Are you experiencing high memory usage in your Chrome browser? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 simple solutions to fix Chrome's high memory usage issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Enable hardware acceleration. To enable hardware acceleration, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the 3-dot icon located in the top right corner of your browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. Step 3. Navigate to the System section. Step 4. Enable the option that says Use hardware acceleration when available. Enabling hardware acceleration can significantly improve Chrome's performance and reduce memory usage. Solution 2. Update Chrome browser. Outdated Chrome versions can sometimes contribute to high memory usage. To update your Chrome browser, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the 3-dot icon located in the top right corner of your browser. Step 2. Click on Help, and then select About Google Chrome. This will open the update page. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Once the update process is complete, relaunch Chrome and check if the high memory usage issue has been resolved. Solution 3. Clear Chrome cache and cookies. Accumulated cache and cookies can also contribute to high memory usage. To clear them, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the 3-dot icon located in the top right corner of your browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. Step 3. Click on Privacy and Security. Step 4. Select Clear Browsing Data. Step 5. In the Clear Browsing Data window, choose the desired time range and check the cookies and other site data, as well as the cached images and files checkboxes. Step 6. Click the Clear Data button in the lower right corner to remove the selected data. By clearing your cache and cookies, you can free up memory and potentially resolve the high memory usage problem in Chrome. We hope these solutions have helped you fix the high memory usage issue in Chrome. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tips. Thank you for watching.